Have you been seeing ads for Clixlo where they're like, you could be paying all of this or just for our thing? It's one of these all-in-one funnel building platforms, and there's tons of them, all right? They're not unique in having lots and lots and lots of tools in one place, but it is very convenient to have lots and lots of tools in one place. I like that. So I have purchased it because they are offering a lifetime deal. So I had been using Kartra. I love Kartra, and it's very sad to leave, but that's a monthly cost. This is right now $4.97 one time for everything. So that's going to pay for itself extremely quickly for me. So I went ahead and jumped on it, and I've had a few hiccups along the way. So I wanted to give you an honest look about whether or not you should think about purchasing this promo. Um, it's unclear when this lifetime deal is going to end. This date changes on this page. So I don't know. I jumped on it quickly because I was afraid it was about to go away, and I hate that feeling of urgency, but on the other hand, it should go away because like they can't sustain their business on just people purchasing it one time. So they're eventually going to have to go to the monthly, like $97 a month, which is very reasonable for all of these tools that they have. Like that's the same price as Kartra. It's the same thing. It's got lots and lots of pages, course, funnels. I don't understand why they put funnels separately from websites on a lot of these builders. They're like, a funnel is a way of putting together your website, basically. Um, they have a CRM system that's a little different. They have a pipeline, which Kartra doesn't have. They do have the calendar booking system, payments and products. You do have to pay a little bit extra for sending emails, so it's about $20 a month usually. So $20 a month versus what I'm paying right now is $200 a month, $250 with all the tools that I'll be able to replace with this. Even though I'm using an all-in-one, I use a few other tools to supplement it that I will not need any longer. Another reason why I really trusted Clickslo is that it is a white label of a program that I've used before. If you've ever heard of Go High Level, their main business model seems to be selling their platform to other businesses. So you can purchase a fully created sales funnel all in one platform and then put your name on it. And that is what they've done here. Now they can customize it, so they can make it special and unique to them and add and take out other things. So that made me really trust it a lot because I was like, okay, it's not that I'm going to be paying a one-time fee and then waiting for it to be functional. It is functional and good. So let me show you a little bit behind the scenes. So if you've ever been inside something like Funnel Cures, I think Funnel Gorgeous maybe, Growth Tools, all of these are different variations on the same base platform. So you'll see it set up this way with these things along the left. And with the Clickslo lifetime deal, they're also offering a lot of pre-built funnels, workflows. I'm finding that a little bit confusing, honestly. I'm like, get out of my way, because I like to create things from scratch, but it can be really helpful to have those things. So the dashboard is really showing off the CRM pipeline that I have not really filled out completely yet, but this allows you to have like a drag and drop thing, and you can say how much it's worth, and you can see where you're at with how much money might be coming into your business. So that's a really cool thing to have that my all-in-one platform has not had. There's the calendar, so this integrates with my Google Calendar, and then I can have people book appointments with me. This integrates with Stripe and PayPal, and then you can do products, and you can add coupons and stuff like that. Marketing includes social media planner, so I've connected my Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, and I've been posting through there, and I can see it from, where's the calendar view? I know I saw it recently. Scheduled posts. If you want to, you can have like an approval process through here. And I know I saw a calendar view just the other day. Where did it go? All right, I'm not going to worry about that right now. But you can create posts directly in there and get them posted out. So that's another thing that I don't have to pay for anymore. Emails, you can design your own templates. You have campaigns. This is a drag and drop system. I did have a little hiccup with getting my emails sent out. You do need to put in an integration, and that's the $20 a month that I was talking about for emails. You need to integrate in your settings with something like SendGrid or I think one's called Mailgun. I had originally tried to integrate with Gmail and found out that Gmail limits how many emails you can send out to like 100. So that's no good if you have an email list of any size at all. So I signed up for SendGrid. That's what it's connected through now. And I'm going to have a different video about how to do all of this basic getting it set up and stuff. Sorry, I'm sniffly today. But, you know, you can plan those out and save them as drafts, schedule them. It's a little bit different from the automations, though. Message templates, I haven't dug into this at all. This is if you connect a SMS or text messaging service. There is an affiliate manager here, so I'm still in the process of getting this set up. I have to move all my stuff over from Kartra, so it's not completely done yet. But yeah, you can set up lots of workflows and advanced automations to make things happen, like when someone clicks this trigger link, then this thing happens. Sites is where a lot of your stuff is going to live. You've got, oh my goodness, all the sniffles. Funnels, so a ton of these are, of course, the funnel templates that came with the account. And then I made my own folder so I could easily find mine. This is very similar to how ClickFunnels sets up funnels, where you just add steps here and you can sort of see it going, and then you can do a split test if you want to, add products to it. Websites is not a whole lot different, but I think I might actually start building everything in the funnels area because I think it's a little bit less confusing, because even on every page of my website, I still have like, this is where I want people to go to. This is another drag and drop builder, and I like that you have the ability to have universal blocks, so global blocks. So like I created a heading, and then that heading, if I make changes on it, it would place it, changes it on all of the pages. So yeah, lots of stuff to explore there. You could add a pop-up to that page. I love that it has the blog integrated, of course, so I'm working on moving over my few blog posts that I have and start blogging more. You can integrate it if you have a WordPress, which I don't. Memberships, this is your courses, so I've started migrating my website traffic school over here as well. And put together your lessons. And I need to move over the payment systems for that as well. So much to do. You can build your forms, so like your opt-in form, look at the submissions, analyze the data. Surveys, this is like you could do an intake survey, or you could do kind of a quiz. I have an application for my Funnel by Friday that's built through here now. I haven't set up the chat widget yet. I believe that's where like a little help thing pops up on the side, so I do want to set that up. This is where your files are, and if you need to redirect, I don't know, I haven't needed to do that. You can, of course, integrate your own domains. You can have as many as you want, apparently. So that's pretty cool. Domains are cheap. They're like $15 a year, unless you're looking for a really popular one. So yeah, it's there's a lot you can do in here. You can set up most of your business and make things work with it. So I am still recommending it, and it's like I said, it's hard to leave Kartra because I love Kartra. So if you want to check that out, I'm still like a huge fan of Kartra. But if Clixlo still has their lifetime deal, it's pretty unbeatable to pay $500 one time and have access to all of this. So I went ahead and reached out to them for an affiliate link because everything that I do, I'm like, well, if I'm using it, I may as well get an affiliate link for it. So if you do want to check it out, if you decide to purchase it, then I will get a little commission and thank you. I have the same thing with Kartra. I have with lots of programs, and I take those recommendations very, very seriously. So, I never promote anything frivolously, and I'll always be very honest with you about my real experiences with things. But if you do want to check it out, if you do want to see if that deal is still going, then I would love for you to use my affiliate link. And I will be putting out more videos about behind the scenes, how to get it set up, how to use it, because there's not a whole lot out there yet about Clickslo. But little secret tip, if you're trying to figure out how to do something, go ahead and look for how to do it and go high level, because the where things are located is going to be pretty similar, and a lot of how it works is going to be very similar. You can do reviews, you can connect Google My Business, which I never do. Yeah, so there's lots that you can do also, whether like I'm a completely online business, but if you're a local business, there's lots you can do with this as well.